Is your external component, the acrord32res DLL, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Adobe links. While preparing the manual steps for acrord32res, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the acrord32res, the Adobe Acrobat Reader Resource, 32-bit. It houses localized unmanaged string tables, icons, and UI templates for Adobe Reader, mandatory for rendering the Reader UI in specific localized regions. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Because acrord32res DLL is required by Adobe to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Adobe ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with acrord32res. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Using an incorrect or unverified version of acrord32res DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the acrord32res environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved acrord32res error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.